Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Mahjong matching game. Your main objective is to clear the entire board by finding and matching pairs of identical tiles. Remember, only free tiles can be matched. A tile is free if it has no other tiles on top and is open on at least one side. This game typically features 144 tiles, often arranged in various layouts. Let's dive into identifying those free tiles. Understanding what makes a tile free is crucial for success. A tile is free if no other tiles sit directly on top of it. Additionally, it must have an open side, allowing it to slide left or right without obstruction. This means looking for tiles on the outer edges or the very top layers of the layout. You can only remove 2 matching free tiles at any given time. Mastering this concept is your first step to clearing the board. For a more targeted approach, seek out the I Trapped boss fight located in the Frozen Tundra map. By entering the igloo and interacting with the Mech Brick Battler, you can challenge this boss, which offers a 20% chance for one-time essence upon defeat. Additionally, a highly efficient method involves server hopping. Look for public servers where players are already on wave 25 or higher in hard or medium mode. This allows you to jump straight into high-reward scenarios, maximizing your essence per hour. To master Mahjong matching, a good strategy is key. Prioritize removing tiles that free up the most other tiles, especially those blocking large sections. Focus on clearing top layers and long rows first. Be careful not to make matches that inadvertently trap other important tiles, limiting future moves. It's helpful to plan several moves ahead, considering each match's impact on the board. This thoughtful approach will significantly improve your game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.